The next massive opportunity in the vegan space. We've been watching one sector very, very closely lately, and that's the vegan sector. It's been going off pretty crazy. It's plant-based, all that. And we have one company that we've been looking at, and we think it's going to be in the next 10x runner.
Yeah, before we talk about the company, I'm sure if you're on social media, you've seen, even if you don't invest in the sector, you've seen, the Very Good Butcher, of course, Beyond Meat's been crushing it for years, but the Very Good Butcher, as well as
Alice Nutrition and Modern Meat, those are companies that are above 100 mil market cap, and they've just been killing it in the past, let's say 3 to 6 months.
Yeah.
So as you mentioned, one of the companies that I think is one of the biggest ones in the sector is Beyond the Meat. It IPO'd maybe like 2 years ago now, and it's just been killing it. The numbers and revenues have just been going up and up, and I can't get enough of it. I like that company, and I think there's another opportunity coming in the space, and that's the one we're about to mention, is PlantX. And one of our,
Well, we wanted to focus, Beyond Meat, obviously, kings, you can buy them in Walmarts. That's how they are crushing it. On the other side of things, we want to focus on, the opportunity today in both the kind of medium cap world. A lot of these companies are getting crazy valuations. The markets are exploding. They have low revenues, relatively speaking, to their market cap. So you're getting huge multiples. And we found a company that is basically doing as much in revenue as their market cap. At today's recording,
super very undervalued.
So PlantX, we'll of course share it below, and you can get links. But they're doing millions of dollars, $30 million.
Yeah, around $30 million in revenue.
So as of today, they're sitting at about 60 cents. $30 million market cap,
roughly,
give or take,
30 million market cap.
which is 1-to-1 with what the revenues are. To give you guys insight, the Very Good Butcher is doing somewhere around $1 million in revenue, and they're trading at almost $700 million market cap. So a lot of opportunity to grow. This company has some serious leadership, some serious products, some great branding, in my opinion.
Yeah, no, the marketing team behind this, they're all from like bigger companies like BMW, Amazon. They got a really solid team behind it. The foundation. If you even go on the website, you look at it, you're like, wow, this is a very well done website. They're trying to take market cap from the space, and I believe they have everything it takes to go. So yeah, no, they like we were mentioning, 60 cents right now, market cap at 30 million. Outstanding shares right now are 66 million. It's not a lot of shares outstanding, with only 4 million stock options outstanding as well. So it's not like there's a lot of outstanding shares, and that means the float is quite tight at this range, and very undervalued stock, which, like we were saying, the revenue is pretty much similar to the market cap. So if we're doing any type of multiples right now, I think this stock should be above $1 within the next couple weeks, even.
Yeah, by the time you watch the video, it might be above $1. That's how fast this thing looks like it could move. I want to definitely talk, an analogy. YouTube was not the first video creation platform. There was others, but the others put a lot of the framework in so YouTube could thrive. Same thing we're looking at here. The Very Good Butcher brought a lot of investment, a lot of eyes to the space. Same thing with Beyond Meat. But the Very Good Butcher has been crushing the medium-sized sector. Now here's a real company doing better than the Very Good Butcher. And we're talking about a 30x multiple on revenues for 1/20th the market cap.
Exactly. That's what we were. And let's just chat about here a little bit about the management team, the founder. A lot of 50-50 in the space for him.
Look, you can say what you want about Sean.
Yes, the founder is Sean.
So here you go. Right? Sean Dollinger, this guy ran a marijuana company. We get it. That being said, there's a big difference between running a $1 billion cannabis company. Of course, the sector was hot there when he was a part of it. He definitely has an eye on trends. In cannabis, of course, there wasn't much revenue pushing out these huge valuations, these $1 billion valuations. Right now he's running a company that market cap is 1-to-1 with current revenue. This guy knows how to create a $1 billion business.
Able to notice trends and take massive amount of opportunity and put into shareholders' value, right? So I think he's going to be a key factor to watch here. And honestly, Sean's setting it up perfectly. They're doing expansions in America, Canada, in Europe. So this business is going to grow. It's going to grow fast. And once people start noticing it more, which I feel they're going to start pushing out the story a little bit more. And once that starts happening, like I said, I think it's going to be trading at $1 in no time. And I would personally, in my opinion, I would buy some shares. And
yeah, we both own stock. So obviously, hey, do your own research and that kind of stuff. But, we are believers. We're not just picking some hot topic and talking about it. We actually are owners. So we're big believers in both the company and the sector. Not sure if I'd be a very good butcher buyer right now, but in the sector, you've got across the board athletes that are coming out, we're vegan, we're trying this, we feel better, all this different stuff, from athletes, celebrities to people. I'm sure if you're watching this, you can probably name someone who is moving towards a plant-based diet, or at least a healthier diet in that case. I want to mention in Profitability, if you're just here, you're a numbers guy like me, where we still eat meat but we care about making money, doing meal prep kits is a lot more expensive with actual meat versus plant-based. So that's a huge thing. You think about the packaging, the shipping, all that stuff. Definitely. Is the same cost, but now they have a cheaper product. So that's why, we love the sector. If you think about it, really just the delivery home, prepped meals are growing and growing fast.
Yeah, and the one thing I want to mention as well is just the technical analysis on the foundation of the stock right now. If you look at it, it was trading around like $2.20 not too long ago, a couple months ago. A few things did happen behind the scenes. The stock did collapse to around like 47 cents. So the volume's starting to pick up again. And if you look at the chart very specifically, there's not many resistance on the chart. So once this starts to pick up, there's no resistance all the way to $1.80. So I would definitely keep an eye on the charts as well to see the pullbacks, and also just track the volume for each day. And I think there's going to be a lot of bull flags coming and a lot of bull volume, so you're going to see a lot of explosive results here.
Fill your Christmas stockings. This is a good one.
Definitely. Yeah, so if you guys have any questions about any other plant-based companies in the sector, like very good meat foods, even baby, we'll take a look at it for you guys, and we'll do a little analysis, and we'll get back mention it for you.
Yeah.